Hey friend, it's Leo here, digital marketer, investor, fundraiser, legacy builder, and also known as Tutorman. I'd like to welcome you to this video where I'm going to share with you the 5 things that allowed me to become unstoppable with my online business. At the same time, I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube video, how to optimize it with on-page SEO, and how to create a thumbnail. Isn't that cool? It's really cool. So let's begin. So I'm going to go into my YouTube channel. I'm going to click on the create button and upload a video, and I'm going to select the file. Now this file, I've got it on my iPhone. So I'm just going to click on my iPhone and I'm going into the file here, and I'll just make sure that we've got the last file there, modified. There it is, the one I did yesterday, and I'm just clicking on that to upload it. Good, all good. Now you're going to get a lot of value in this video. These are the exact 5 things that I did that allowed me to make $28,000 and more than $100,000 online. Now these are the 5 things that allowed me to become unstoppable with my online business. Now what I've done is I've already optimized this headline. Okay, it's 5 things that you need to become unstoppable, and I might just with my online business. Okay, so I'll put here your online business. Cool or cool? Very cool. So I'm going to copy that, Control C, and I'm going to place it here in the description. Good. And I'm just going to take this one out. Okay, so it begins. Hey friend, it's Leo here, digital marketer, investor, fundraiser, legacy builder, and also known as Tutorman. I'm here to share with you the 5 things that you need to become unstoppable with your online business. Okay, great. Then just scroll down, just make sure everything's in there. Now see this video here? I'm going to open that into a new tab, and I'm going to grab that video URL. It hasn't been created yet, but I'm just going to go in here now, scroll down. Now the keys to this video is I've got the transcript of the video and I've put it all in there already. Now I'm going to have here subscribe to my channel, like my video, so I'm actually putting that video URL there, friend me on Facebook, visit my website, and so on and so forth. So there's a link there for them to click. Isn't that cool? It's really cool. Now I'm going to do the thumbnail later. So first of all, I'm going to select online business. So anything that's business online or online business. So I'm going to click on these playlists. Online business. Anything with online or business in it. Okay. So these are tabs that I've created. Money online, 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 online. Start a business online. Okay, rank 1 on YouTube. Oh, that's true too. YouTube marketing. Okay, website traffic generation. That's true as well. Apps, mobile apps. No. Okay, and I'm going to create a new playlist, and this one is going to be called. Okay, 5 things that allow me to become unstoppable. So let's do that. Good. Okay, I've done that, and click on create. Okay, so these are I need to click on that. 5 things that allowed me to become unstoppable. Great. Click on done. So I've created now playlists. Now it doesn't matter how many you do as long as you have a few. Now, yes, this is made for kids. No, this is not made for kids. Age restriction. More options. Click on more options. My video contains no. Tags. Okay. I'll just put one more here. Unstoppable. Start business, start your own business, how to start a business at home, business from home, business online, online business. Okay, fantastic. Start online business. Very good. Okay, good. English, none. That's fine. Education is education. Good. And click on next. Video elements not required at this stage. Public, yes, and then I can publish it. Good. Let's publish. The next step for me is to create the thumbnail. Okay, I've just created this thumbnail and I'm going to add it to that video. So let's do that. All right, and publish. Publish now. Okay, let's go and refresh the video. And by refreshing the video, we can see it here. The 5 things that you need to become unstoppable with your business. And there's one more step I need to do. I'm going to click in here to edit the title and or description. So the title's fine, but right at the bottom of that, I'm going to add a link. So here it is. I've added my website link so that they know where to go if they want more information or if they want coaching. Isn't that cool? It's really cool. So I'm going to save that. And now let's just check the video here. Just to make sure everything's working. Okay, cool. So here we are. And description. Fantastic. So if people would like to get in touch with me to start and grow a profitable online business, they'll click on the link to go to my blog where they can get more information. Cool or cool? It's really cool. I'm Leo Hockinen, also known as Tutorman, helping people to help themselves and helping to free the world. I look forward to speaking with you in the next video.